What's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sizzle or Fizzle. I'm Rick.
And I am Cass.
Now, this is the show where we listen to different artists, different genres, and we put our heads together, think it through, say what we like, what we don't like, what works, what won't. At the end of the day, does the track sizzle or does it fizzle? And we take it a step further. We invite you to leave us a comment and let us know what you think, because this show doesn't work without you.
It won't, don't, and ain't.
That's right. And Kaz, we going back to Primus.
Oh Lord, here we go with practice.
And Primus sucks. And y'all know what we mean.
They do. Very
This
much
one,
so.
Jerry was a race car driver. Now, I haven't heard this yet, but I've heard lots of Primus so far. So I know that we're in for a treat. So without further delay, let's find out what's up with Jerry.
Here we go. I've heard it.
Uh-oh.
So here we go.
Nachos?
What the hell?
That whole scene just looks sickening.
This is out here rocking in some long underwear.
Looks like what you used to do.
Man, I like that dirty bass sound. Mm, mm, mm. First things first, I love Les's tone on his bass, especially when he goes for that dirty, grungy sound that just I can imagine what that would do on a with a high powered subwoofer.
I mean, that sounds like it sounded like he's playing a lot of flat notes, both of them on the guitar and on the bass. And it almost sounds like they've actually loosened the strings so they're not as tight. So it gets that sound that he's,
Could
and
be.
then it's a fretless bass too. So I'm sure that has something to do with it too. But good God, Jerry was a race car driver. Jerry was a race car driver. Jerry was Jerry
Now,
was a race car driver.
I do like this song. To me, I still like Over the Falls the
Why?
best
Because Jerry
so
was a
far.
race car driver.
I mean, that one's constantly in my head. You know how you get the wormhole effect?
Yes, Lord.
And the,
Sometimes I get off of this recording and go to bed soon afterwards, and I'm going to bed to one of the songs that we did for the
now
night.
this might do that to me, but so far the only Primus song that has done that to me so far has been Over the Falls, and I rock with that. I liked all the Primus songs that we've done. It started way back in the day, 2 years ago, with Tommy the Cat,
Yeah, buddy.
and it's growing.
I
So whoever selected Primus for us, we appreciate you because that's a good one.
actually I had looked at it and I actually watched a couple of them live, and it was the race car driver and Tommy the Cat live at MTO Daytona Beach Jam '92. Lord it be, Lord it
I'm
be,
gonna check that out.
Lord it be. Uh, yeah, as a matter of fact, I noted on here the solo all around was killer, and it's a must watch, and it is Fonkee. That's how funky that video was. So yes, high powered, high intensity. I'm just
Definitely,
mad as far as not liking anything. I'm mad the fact that the song didn't last long enough. So there's my dislike. So for the length of the video and the song, fizzle, 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 fizzle. It's got to be longer. But everything else, straight to the
I agree. I mean, this is a sizzle for me as well. And when have we not sizzled a Primus song? I mean,
because
I was only on the fence on one, and I think that was that Mr. Crinkle or whatever.
honestly, we've done so many, I don't remember.
But when you think about it, for as long as they've been around, we just barely scratched the surface.
Yeah, this is 91.
Yeah. So, gang, that's where we need you.
You,
You know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to you. You, right there. Yeah, you. So, if you haven't
you and I,
already, make sure
you and
that
I.
you subscribe and leave us a comment. There's a whole bunch of Primus songs out there that we should be doing in the future. So, request them. I ain't heard them. So, if I haven't heard them, I'm willing to get out there and listen to them. That's what this channel's all about.
Damn right.
Finding new stuff, listening to it, and then making our own assessment.
Damn right.
Yeah, what he said.
Agree. And you will too.
All right. So I like it. Kaz likes it. Tell us what you think. Like, share, subscribe. In the meantime and in between time, make sure that you stay positive, stay blessed,
And no matter what's going on in your life, people, please keep it moving.
and we'll catch you later.
Later.